Hi, good morning and welcome back. Let's continue and go ahead and do our morning meeting. Welcome to class, and let's give it our all and do whatever it takes to get through our lesson and assignments today. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. So today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. The month is April. So let's say it together. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. So what is today? Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. The weather is partly sunny today. The temperature is 78 degrees and we can say it is going to be a little bit warm. It might get a little hot. For our news updates, remember, wash your hands all the time. Yep, germs are everywhere, guys. Complete all of your daily assignments. Make sure you turn in pictures of completed assignments for recognition so that we can share in our team channel. Remember to stay active and exercise every single day. Get very, very strong. My contact information is the same, so remember 824. I am available to answer any questions.